simply go to answer this question. Why as American Jews, or for that matter as Americans, should we support Israel? You will not find the answer, we should support Israel because God gave the land to Abraham. The far more common answer would be, we should support Israel because Israel shares the liberal democratic principles that we as Americans, and particularly American Jews, cherish in our own land. And yet the American Jewish organizations very rarely publicly contemplate at all the idea that loving Israel and identifying with Israel because of that vision of what Israel is may lead you to have to be in conflict with the policies of Israel's government. They never publicly contemplate the idea that Israel's own policies could be a threat to those liberal democratic values. But I think if we look honestly, we're forced to acknowledge that the threats to Israel's liberal democratic character from the policies of its own government are actually quite grave. Israel has now, for 2/3 of its existence, held large chunks of territory in which it does not offer the promise in its own Declaration of Independence of equal citizenship irrespective of race, religion, or sex.
And I think he's absolutely right, however, in the general trajectory of describing the American Jewish population, how it relates to Israel because of the different experiences of each generation.
And I think that's part of the reason for the divergence. Where they can raise money is usually in around threats to Israel and the fear of anti-Semitism